We are at the base of the Williamsburg Bridge in One Domino Park, and we are going to take a tour of the new condo building here, One Domino.
Before we even step inside, it's important to understand what makes this property different. This development is the former Domino Sugar Refinery site, a multi-billion-dollar transformation that has completely reimagined this section of Williamsburg's waterfront. The master plan reconnects the neighborhood to the East River with public parks, retail, offices, residences, and community spaces. What makes One Domino especially notable is that these are the first condominium residences within the entire Domino development. Everything around has established the neighborhood, but this is the opportunity to actually own within it. Take a look at the facade for a moment. This project was designed by internationally acclaimed architect Annabelle Selldorf and represents her firm's first residential skyscraper. The towers are clad in a unique iridescent porcelain material that subtly changes throughout the day as the light shifts across the river and skyline. If you have ever walked Williamsburg's waterfront, you've probably noticed the building looks different every time you see it. That's intentional. The architecture was designed to interact with the sky rather than simply sit against it. Let's head inside. One thing you'll notice immediately is a sense of calm. Many luxury buildings try to impress through excess. One Domino takes a different approach. The design language is understated, refined, and highly detailed.
And One Domino has 45,000 square feet of amenities, spread over 3 levels. This is a lifestyle.
As buyers increasingly spend more time working from home and entertaining at home, amenities have become an extension of the residence itself. At One Domino, highlights include an indoor pool, spa facilities, sauna and steam rooms, a cold plunge pool, an amazing fitness center, a yoga studio, co-working spaces, private dining rooms, several entertainment lounges, a game room, and multiple landscaped outdoor terraces with skyline views, plus an outdoor pool. What I particularly like is that these amenities are not hidden in a basement. Many of the amenity spaces capture the same incredible river and skyline views that attracted residents to the building in the first place.
So let's have a look at some of these beautiful homes.
The first thing most people notice is the light. The floor-to-ceiling, sound-canceling tilt-and-turn windows were designed to maximize the relationship between the residents and the waterfront. Whether you are looking towards Manhattan, the East River, the Williamsburg Bridge, or deeper into Brooklyn, every direction tells a different story. Wide plank white oak flooring runs throughout, warmed by natural light that shifts all day. 10-foot ceilings give genuine volume to every room, where king-size bedrooms are standard. Custom walnut millwork, dimmable lighting, Nest thermostats, and USB-C outlets at every bedside. These are the finishes that separate these well-designed homes. The kitchens combine contemporary design with functionality. Italian kitchens come in 2 distinct palettes, warm teak with Carrara marble, or cool high-gloss lacquer with lava stone waterfall countertops, each equipped with a full Gaggenau appliance suite including speed oven, induction cooktops, and wine refrigerator. Primary baths feature radiant heated floors, riverstone walls, and a separate glass-enclosed rain shower. The penthouses offer a different conversation entirely. Soaring ceiling heights and floor-to-ceiling windows frame unobstructed views stretching to the Statue of Liberty, New York Harbor, and the full Manhattan skyline. Primary baths include a freestanding soaking tub overlooking the East River, and the upper levels lead to a sprawling private wraparound terrace, your own outdoor sanctuary above the city. This is one of those homes where the view isn't simply something you look at, it's part of the daily living experience. The bathrooms continue the same design philosophy: clean lines, premium materials, and a focus on creating a spa-like environment at home. Now let's talk about what may be the most irreplaceable feature of the building, the views. We're positioned at one of the most prominent locations on the Brooklyn waterfront. To the north, you have the Manhattan skyline with the Empire State Building. And to the south, you see the Williamsburg Bridge and the East River. Views are often the first thing buyers fall in love with, but they're also one of the strongest drivers of long-term value because they're the hardest feature to replicate. One Domino sits directly adjacent to Domino Park, one of New York's most successful waterfront parks. Beyond that, you have Williamsburg's restaurants, cafes, boutiques, nightlife, and creative culture all within a few blocks. One Domino represents the next chapter of Williamsburg. It combines world-class architecture, a landmark waterfront location, extensive amenities, and some of the best views available anywhere in Brooklyn. For buyers looking for a primary residence, a pied-a-terre, or simply a place that reflects the evolution of Brooklyn itself, One Domino is one of the most compelling opportunities currently available.
Well, that concludes our tour of One Domino. I hope you enjoyed the building. If you have any interest in this development or in Williamsburg in general, please contact me directly. All of my information is down below. See you on the next one.